Yeah, this is Pichu doing another video. This time I'm doing a Hearthstone video. Uh, I haven't played this game in a couple years because I used to love playing this game. I used to play it almost every day, and then uh, well, I got busy with school and stuff, and then got a new computer, and my new computer won't let me download it, so playing it on the phone. I just bought 3 packs. Doomsday with Dark Moon and another one. They're wild packs, so they're like older cards, that's why. Racist Thrasher, yeah. Swample Forger. So I'm in a tiny fit. Yeah, that'll go decent in my Murloc deck. You heard me, right? Taunt, Death Rattle. For 4 health too. Okay. Water Moccasin. Stealth is poisonous while you have no other minions. I mean, it's okay. Heckle Fang Hyena. Deal 3 damage to your hero. Yeah, that card's not that great. Open this one. The Dark Moon or whatever it is. Petting 0, summon a 3/3 Strider. VP for each secret you control. Insight. Draw a minion, corrupt, reduce its cost by 2. Sword Eater. Taunt. Battlecry equipped to sword. Midway Maniac. Taunt. Carousel Griffin. Divine Shield. Corrupt gain 3. Gain +3/+3 and taunt. Doomsday. Rocket Boots, give a minion rush, draw a card. Magnetic and taunt. I don't know what magnetic does, but I know rush means they can attack the turn they're played. Taunt means they have to attack it. Secret. When one of your minions attack, Divine Shield. Divine Shield protects it from taking damage. Your minion +2/+2. Add more arms to your hand that give +2/+2. Landscaping. Summon 2/2/2 trees. And as you can tell, like 2/2 and priests and stuff. It's people that make World of Warcraft, but it's a lot like Magic the Gathering. Okay, let's see. Fine, don't let me go there. Fine, be that way. Do that. What I don't understand is I downloaded Solo Adventures. It let me play it. It let me play it for like 24 hours, and then it said I didn't have it downloaded. It said I didn't have enough space, so I deleted a couple things on my phone and tried to download it again. It's not letting me download. Can't play the arena because I don't have any tickets, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have enough points. Dadgummit. Mercenaries isn't really that fun. Duels is interesting. There's Battlegrounds. We're about to fight for the crown. And this 8-player auto battler. What? 8-player auto battler. Huh? Finish your war band and fight for the crown. 8-player auto battler. I have no clue what this is. But, okay, I'll try it, I guess. Bob, welcome to Battlegrounds. 8 combat and vendor. One will take the take minions to your heroes to buy them for gold. Army, take up enemy minions. You can recruit new minions for battle. Choose a battle. Woodwalker. This is making me hire that. That minions cost 3 gold. How did it work? Okay. Let's play it. Do the fighting, but they need a strong commander. Blah, blah, blah. Combat. Sorry, I'm having to go through the tutorial, apparently. Oh. Wait, can I not? Oh, these are enemies, I think. Okay. If you imp, summon 2 imps when it dies. Gain plus 1 attack. Taunt Divine Shield. Icky imp. And no, I don't keep unused gold. Battle, no type, yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm having to go through the tutorial apparently. But yeah. Three. So I do 3 to them. I go to the next round. Okay. Upgrade the tavern to get more powerful. Okay. Right now I can make more powerful minions. Do. See the new recruits. Better hire what you can. Got the grandmothers. I'm gonna make the wolf when it dies. Do 4 damage. +1. Let's play kindly grandmother. Someone's a big bad wolf. When it does, yeah. That'll be that. It's alright, I take a vitamin. Okay. Full damage there. I still haven't taken any damage, so I'm probably in the lead. I think I am in the lead. Could be wrong, but okay. Well, they're the same. Ew. I don't want it. Fine, make me about a stupid thing. More powerful golden copy. Ow. Okay, fine, make me bow. Triple reward. Discover tier. Here, in tier 3. Crowd favorite. Battle. Rat pack. Summon number of rats equal to this minion's attack. Imp Gang Boss. When this minion takes damage, summon all Imp. Little rat pack. Thank you, Bob. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. That's not good. No, I'm about to take a lot of damage. This is gonna hurt. Ow, that's 7. I took 7 damage. That should be the first, like 4th. I'm gonna get the tavern here, and I shall fall behind. Yeah. Our business, okay. Better recruits. Yeah. Freeze them so you can get them next time. Because I have 0 coins because I lost that round. I think you're supposed to lose that round. I think it's like a guaranteed loss thing. But I'll like show you how it works and everything. Oh, it's their stars that get me. Okay, that makes sense. Take what you're waiting for, okay? They're the same. But they're all the same soul juggler. I can't get 3 of them, can I? Dadgummit. Nope, I can't get 3. So. Draw the grandma. Get you. Make you gold. From the gold one. Triple reward. Yes. Yeah, double shit on. Magnetic, okay. Annoy module. Play him. I guess it'll let me freeze, but it won't let me do anything else. Weird. Okay. I don't know what magnetic means, so I don't know if that means they have to attack. Oh, that does mean. I think that means, yeah, they have to attack him. Yeah. Wait. There's silhouettes of a mech. Oh, okay. It fuses with a mech, okay. That's cool. I just 14 damage, almost taking him out of the game. Put the pressure. Do that. 6 stars. Okay. So you. Yeah, by you. Play this to the left of the mech. Okay. There we go. Oh wait, no. It's the right. Take it back. Oh well. So next round I confuse them. That's yeah. Cheer that. That's a tier 4 plus, yeah. She's out of the game. Charge. Upgrade. Refresh. Freeze there. Let's swap y'all's position. And then let's just wait, I guess. Sorry guys, I was looking at the time on my computer. Let's play you. Oh. So that's overkill. That's nice.
The battlegrounds are here. I think you can win the whole thing, my friend.
Yeah, man. Wine Lover. The tavern offers an extra tavern spell after each refresh. Will be removed from battlegrounds until the next one. Huh. Well, see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.